Hello again, lovelies. I hope you're all doing well. So today's a really exciting day because my parcel from Angelic Pretty arrived last week and I'm finally gonna open it. It's my first time owning anything from Angelic Pretty, so I'm so excited to open them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's see what I got. Jesus Christ, look what I've done. Oh my gosh. Hello, sir. Oh my god, it came in this really cute bag. Oh my god. And it says Angelic Pretty on it. Oh my god. How am I gonna open the bag without like literally ripping it to pieces? Okay, yeah, it's fine, thank god. So the bag's really cute. Oh my god. I'm so excited to open it. So it came packaged like this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is the Heart Cafe one piece by Angelic Pretty. You can see it's just like a gingham made lolita dress kind of thing. It's so sweet. Oh my god. Got the little hearts as well. It's just so cute. Oh my god. But yeah, I don't know, there was different colours to this dress. There was pink, blue, red, and the black one, I believe. I think the black and the red ones were the only ones that were left because I believe this dropped at the end of like 2020 and I actually bought this like a few weeks ago. So it looked like nobody wanted the black or the red colourway. So I don't know, I'm just a sucker for the black gingham. I don't know why. From my last video, obviously. Oh my god, Sumo, you look so cute! Ah! Yeah, I don't know, I just really love black gingham, so I guess that's why I got it. And it's Angelic Pretty, so I was like, I finally need something by them, so yeah, I don't know. I'll stop talking about it and I'll just show you guys what it looks like on, and yeah. So yeah, I absolutely adore this dress. I think it looks amazing. Honestly, it looks even better in real life than it did on the website. I'm so happy I chose this dress as my first Angelic Pretty dress. It's so amazing. And as you can see, I paired it with my wrist cuffs, which I ordered from Devil Inspired, and they go perfectly with the gingham as well. Yeah, there's just so much detail in the dress, and like the scalloped edges at the bottom and the ruffles on the back. It's just so beautiful, honestly. So it actually came with this headpiece as well. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the headpiece, so obviously it's to match the dress. And it's just, oh my god, there's so much detail in it. It's so cute. Yeah, this actually came as a set with the one-piece dress, so the headband was included with it and it's just so sweet, honestly. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, and this is the, I believe this is the choker to go with the dress, I assume. Yeah, this is a choker, which is really cute. It's just a little heart choker. I never wear chokers like this, so I'm quite excited to try this on. So this is the bag that I got from Angelic Pretty. It's just a glittery black heart-shaped bag and it's so beautiful. It's faux leather as well, which is wonderful for all you vegans, including me, out there. And it's just got the Angelic Pretty logo on it and it's, oh, I love it. I've always wanted a heart bag for so long and I finally got one. It's so sweet. So this is the headdress that I got and it's so beautiful. There's so much detail in this one as well. The bows are huge, which is great. And it's got like the lace up, like the crisscross detail at the top, which is so cute. And it's got little hearts along the lace, I think. It's, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this is the head bow that I got, which is just so lovely. I actually had quite a hard time trying to mould it into shape properly, but once I figured out it looks really cute. I was trying to go off the picture on the website to do it properly, and it's just so sweet, honestly. So I think this is the main hair accessory that I'm going to wear regularly in this coordinate because I feel like with the solid black heart bag, I feel like I need like a solid black head bow as well to go with it, to kind of like separate so that the bag's not just standing out as one solid black piece by itself, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's so sweet. I think this is my favourite hair accessory that I got. So yeah, I actually filmed an outro and everything, but my audio was really messed up. I'm so sorry. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which items were your favourite. Let me know what Angelic Pretty items that you own. And yeah, I hope to see you guys soon in my next video, which will hopefully be soon. So I've got some videos planned for next week actually. I'm decorating my room, so I'd love to show you guys that. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you can. And yeah, bye guys!